In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email to HubSpot CRM. Connecting your inbox unlocks email logging, tracking, sequences, and meeting links, so messages you send are automatically associated with the right contacts in your CRM. Let's keep it simple and go step by step. First, sign into your HubSpot account and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the small settings gear icon. This opens the area where you control account preferences. If you manage more than one HubSpot account, make sure you're in the correct portal before you proceed. On the left sidebar, you'll land in the General Settings section. This is where HubSpot keeps high-level preferences for your user and account. From here, locate and open the Email tab. The Email tab groups everything related to your personal inbox connection, tracking, and signatures in one place, so you don't have to hunt around. Inside the Email tab, click Connect Personal Email. This is the option for your individual inbox, the one you personally use to send one-to-one emails to contacts. It works with popular providers like Google and Microsoft, as well as other IMAP-based accounts. After you click Connect Personal Email, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be redirected to your email provider to sign in and grant permission for HubSpot to access your inbox. Approve the requested permissions so HubSpot can send emails on your behalf, log replies, and sync email history. If your organization uses enhanced security, you may see additional verification, such as two-factor authentication. Just complete it when asked. If your browser is already signed in to the right email account, the process is usually just a few clicks. When the connection is successful, HubSpot will confirm it right in the Email tab. You'll also see options to fine-tune preferences like default logging and tracking, signatures, and which devices or clients are allowed to send through the connected inbox. You can leave the defaults as they are now and adjust later if you need to. That's it. By clicking the Settings icon, going to General Settings, opening the Email tab, and choosing Connect Personal Email, you've linked your inbox to HubSpot. From now on, your one-to-one emails can be logged and tracked automatically, keeping your CRM clean and up to date without extra manual work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.